As much as I admire selling the squeeze of toothpaste, I find it disheartening because Jamaicans shouldn't be going through that today in 2021. Just like gone on YouTube, figure bring some new food. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today's video is really a survey. I was going to write it on my community page, but I decided let's do a video because a video is more interactive. I've noticed that when I put things not only on my community section but any of my social media sites, if it's just in plain text, people don't really react or interact with it as much as when I post a video or a photograph. So I guess people are more into color than the whole black and white plain text thing. So for that reason, I've opted to do a video of it. It's going to be a very short, very sweet video, but a very educational video. It's going to be informative for me because I would like to know, what do you guys think would make Jamaicans happier at the moment? I'm talking about Jamaicans that's living in Jamaica. So I'm going to put out 4 options and you guys can only choose one. You can't choose 2 and you can't choose all 4. You got to only choose one of which you think would be most beneficiary to Jamaicans that are living in Jamaica today. So without any further ado, the number 1 option is doubling minimum wage and adding 20% to those who are earning above minimum wage. So what do I mean by that? I mean, I've recently heard that minimum wage in Jamaica is $8,000 per week. So I'm talking about $16,000 per week. And for those people who are already making above minimum wage, how about adding 20% to their wages? It's just an option. You can choose that one if you think it's best of all 4 after you hear the other 3. So without any further ado, let's move on to number 2. How about reducing GCT by 50% of what it currently stands at? But keeping in mind that if you choose reducing GCT, it means minimum wage will stay at the $8,000 and there will be no 20% increase on the people who make above minimum wage. And the third one would be, how about giving $8,000 each month, like a welfare system, to the unemployed? I came up with this figure based on the current minimum wage that I was told. So I'm thinking, if someone is making $8,000 weekly, so they're making $16,000 bi-weekly and they're making $32,000 a month. I'm thinking, okay, if that is what it currently stands at, $8,000 for an entire month for someone who is not working in Jamaica, it's not a lot of money, but it's better than no money at all. So do you guys think that unemployed Jamaicans should have some cash handout from the government to hold them over, kind of bind them over until they find work or meaningful income? Let me know. But remember, if you choose number 3, number 1 and number 2 is off the board. So it has to be one of all 4. The final one is more political. How about getting rid of the Jamaican Labour Party, the People's National Party, the Independent, and all other parties that are registered as legal Jamaican political party and start a brand new party from the ground up? Tell me how you guys feel about that. But remember, if you choose to start a brand new party, number 1 to 3 is off the board. So do you think Jamaicans would be better off if you turn a political historical leaf and try something new with a new party, with a new system, with a new setup for the Jamaican people? Or do you think they should just stick to what they know, Jamaican Labour Party or the People's National Party? let me know. But remember, whichever one you guys choose, it eliminates the other 3. I thought of doing this video because as someone with an overwhelming interest and love for the country of Jamaica and its people, I would love to see my country and the citizens of my country have a better livelihood, have a better quality of life. I would like to see the admiration that Jamaica gets for its beauty reflect on the comfort of its people there. I came across a very interesting article in Jamaica. It was both interesting and it was disheartening at the same time. It was a storekeeper in Jamaica that was being creative in how he makes money and how he serves the community. And he was actually selling a squeeze out of a tube of toothpaste. So a squeeze out of a tube of toothpaste, just like how you'd walk in your bathroom, take a tube of toothpaste, squeeze it out in your brush and brush your teeth. He was actually selling that squeeze for 30 Jamaican dollars. Creative, but disheartening. I say creative because a lot of the Jamaican struggles that I endure as a child growing up has benefited me a whole lot as an adult. But as much as I admire selling the squeeze of toothpaste, I find it disheartening because Jamaicans shouldn't be going through that today in 2021. I remember once I visited Jamaica. No, I moved back to Jamaica and I was living there. And I went to a pharmacy in Falmouth and I wanted some Centrum multivitamins. And I asked the guy, how much is your multivitamin? And he says, how much do you want? And I said, I just need one. And he said it was $30. And I said, no, it can't be $30. That's too cheap. And he said, you say you need one, right? And I said, yeah. And he was offering me one tablet. He was offering me one multivitamin tablet, and I was just shocked that that even happens in Jamaica. I would love to see my country get up off that struggle. I can't see transparently the reason why Jamaicans are still struggling like that, but I could give you lots of reasons that cross my mind, but I can't see a genuine reason. Anyway, people, like I say, this one was going to be short, was going to be sweet, and that's pretty much it. But it's been a while since I big up some people, so I'm going to do an extensive big up segment this time.
Big up yourself to the maximum.
First and foremost, I want to big up Pat P, Roots Rock, Health Light, Doja Fox, Blessed One, Z, Evelyn D, Pearly Simpson, Seal Mad Flavor, Moonlight Queen, Howard Mullings, and last but not least, I want to big up Richard Bryan, one of my old school mates from Calabar. So big up yourself, Richard Bryan, and thanks for tuning in. And while I'm at it, big up all Rabalak crew.
Big up yourself to the maximum.
And that's pretty much it, people. Let me know what you think about this video. As you know, on my channel, I appreciate thumbs up and even thumbs down, agreement and disagreement, because at the end of the day, people, each one teach one. We've reached the end of my video, and that in itself is a support that I truly appreciate. Other ways that you can support this channel is by giving this video a thumbs up. But the most important way to support my channel is to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my future uploads. The third way to support this channel is to go to my Teespring account and purchase in any of my merch. And the fourth way that you can support this channel is joining me in Patreon to give me a contribution to help me to do what I do here on YouTube. Once again, I want to thank all of you guys for checking out my video and ask that you continue to join me, ENT Sabas, here on YouTube to see where my journey takes me. Until next time, peace.